Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into how CMS works in Framer, how you can create dynamic layouts, dynamic blogs in Framer. As you can see on my screen, it's a blank canvas right now. If you want to add new CMS, you can click on these pages. From here, you can create a CMS collection, add CMS pages. You can create CMS from here. So now let's create a dummy called a blog or anything. Let's say team member I had, but I'll just delete that one for now, right? So I don't have any CMS right now here. One thing you can do is, if you are coming from Wix, Squarespace, or any third party website builder into Framer, then you can bring your old content using this CSV. You can import your CSV files here. If you don't have anything and you're creating a new one, then you click on add a blog for blog. If you don't want to add a blog and just add a team members, click here on this plus, just name it team member, right? So I am in my team member. I can add my fields. Right now I have title and content, but if you want to add image, every team member will have an image, right? You can add image here. You can keep it like, is it required from your backend side? You want to have the image. If you don't have an image, then what would be the default image, right? So you can upload that one from here also. Let's say you can add a plain text for their position, right? What is the position, team members position? So you can edit from here, position, right? Or you can just simply drag these to align them, sort them here on these fields, right? Click here on this new item. You can add, let's say, Ashok. Slug is Ashok, is like your main page name, and then the name, let's say here, as you can see, your site URL. In team member, this is your collection name, and the Ashok is your item of your collection, right? uh, CEO of Twig Designs, right? Quick designs. Here I can upload my image. Here I can write something about me. Let's say you can start writing anything here, right? But if you want to make it something, let's say this as my h2, right? I click on here, h2. If I want to add this as a link, here you can see a link. You can add to a page or any external URL that you want, right? And you can make it italic, you can make it bold, or you can edit as a in this block code, or you can make this one a numbered or unorder list, order list one. You can add images from here. You can add video, YouTube video. You can add a code block, right? Or let's say if you want to write a blog on coding, how to write code, or then you want to paste your code in your blog, right? Then you can use this block to add a code. So yeah, let's say I have this thing, right? I don't have image right now here. I don't want to put any image. Let's say I just save it. Ashok is saved. I don't have an image, but how you can call it here on this page? So click on this CMS. They will ask you, like, you have these collections. Right now I have only one. So team member, what do you want to do? I want to create an index page. Well, they will create index page, default index page for me like this, right? But you can uh, create as per your designs, just like I showed you in layout video. In the last video I showed you how to create layouts. You can create your layouts here. And yeah, this is your team member, and I want to have my detail page, right? This is my detail page. See, at the content I had added, image, position, and the name, right? So this is your CMS page. This is your team member page. This is the dynamic page. All the newly added or all the team members will be shown here. This is your CMS detailed page, a template page you can call, right? Okay, yeah, so this is how you create your CMS items in Framer. You can do many things here. Let's say I have this one added here, this content, this image. I can come here and I can just link them with my backend data, right? Set variable, this is my image, right? You can set a variable from here. For this one I can set it as already set to a variable called title. A variable means something that will hold your value, that is coming from your CMS, right? A title, this one is assigned for my title, this one is for my position. You can do all those things from here, right? So yeah, this is how CMS works in Framework. It's very easy to use for blogs, for team members, for creating a dynamic portfolio, right? If you are a designer or a developer, you want to create a portfolio and showcase your work to your users, then you can create these CMS things from here, right? So I think that's it for this video, and in the next video we are going to look at how you can use animations in Framer, how you can create interactive smooth animations in Framer for your websites. Till then, bye.